Dryflex 1 is used for responsive repairs, small repairs and repairs to be completed the same day. Surface preparation is the same as for Dryflex 4 and 16. Please refer to the preparation chapter. The curing time depends on the ambient temperature and size of repair. As a guide, Dryflex 1 will cure in 1 hour at 20 degrees centigrade. The maximum depth of resin is 10 mm. The following sequence will show a resin repair, a conservation joint and a timber splice. Brush dry fix into all contact surfaces and allow to penetrate for a minimum of 20 minutes and a maximum of 2 hours. Remove excess liquid before applying Dryflex resin. When dispensing Dryflex 1, slide the red cradle forward until it reaches the stop. This will now support the component A tube. Dispense the required amount of resin. Mix thoroughly until a uniform amber colour is achieved and all traces of the red colour have disappeared. Mix small quantities as the working time is around 10 to 15 minutes. Apply a tight coat of Dryflex to ensure a good contact with the dry fix. Overfill and screed off excess material using the edge of the application knife. Note the technique for achieving a right angle corner. If we look again at this repair, should a longer straight edge be required, we suggest the use of perspex as an aid to profiling. Line the perspex up and ensure there are no air pockets visible. Screed off using the edge of the perspex as a guide. Allow the resin to cure fully before removing the perspex. When sealing a conservation joint, apply a tight coat of Dryflex to ensure that it is in good contact with the dry fix. Overfill and screed off excess material. Large quick repairs can be completed using timber as a splice. Apply dry fix to all contact surfaces and allow to penetrate for 20 minutes minimum. Then apply a tight coat of Dryflex to all contact surfaces. Push the timber into place, ensuring a bed of resin at least 5 mm deep and no more than 10 mm deep. Screed off excess resin. Please refer to the Working with Cured Resin chapter for finishing techniques.